Hello, it's Adrian from Fine and Country in Great Torrington. Another blue sky day down here. And what a cracking house that we're going to be launching in a couple of weeks' time. Beautiful period farmhouse, plenty of bedrooms, bathrooms, reception rooms, tall ceilings for somebody like me at 6'4", that's terribly important. Refitted kitchen, ingle-nook fireplace. A separate barn could offer possibilities subject to planning. A shippen. Same again. There's a detached garage. You're parking for several cars. And the beauty of this particular home, if you're looking for a lifestyle, is that it has paddocks, 3 of them, formal gardens, loggia, barbecue area. This really is a house that just keeps on giving. And that's about as busy as it gets. I'm just watching the swallows ducking and diving over the paddock over there. And, can't see it, but off to my left, buzzards just circling above the tree line. This is what this is all about. Do give myself a ring on 01805 626 999. I'd love to talk to you about this. Or drop me an email at adrian.hardwick@fineandcountry.com. I look forward to showing you this. It's a cracking house, not often available.